Well, they'll be looking for a no ball. They'll be looking. They're calling for it, CSK.
That it was called. And Bruce Gaffney says no.
No, Oxenford at square leg said his indication was it dipped. So he felt that the delivery was on the downward, therefore it was getting below that waistline. Now that's the guide. So there's confusion as to whether it's a no ball or not. Oxenford is saying it's not a no ball.
The problem is the umpire at the bowler's end put his hand out to call a no ball, and Jadeja has seen that. And that is why Jadeja is out with umpire Oxford.
Hang on, Dhoni's coming out. I can't say I've seen this. So MS Dhoni is walking out to the field as the captain, and he's saying, well, there was an arm came out from one of these umpires. So this is a situation, let's hope it's diffused very quickly. So there seems to have been a no ball call from one umpire. Oxenford at square leg has suggested the ball was dipping under that waistline. You will never see the captain storm out to the field to have a discussion with the umpires. Unbelievable.
Well, if they don't hurry up and sort this out, we're going to have to come back tomorrow, because it's nearly 12 o'clock tonight to finish this game off.
Well, after all that, what have we got? An angry Dhoni.
Surely you'd go up